Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Vegan Cross Country. I am getting my lunch ready. I'm driving a bunch today. I'm leaving LA. I was just visiting my aunt for about a week, and I'm headed into Arizona. So anyway, since it's a long day of driving, I'm gonna take this Amy's Enchilada black bean and vegetables and put it in the Hot Logic, and then I'll have a hot meal well, whenever it's ready. I'm guessing, why won't it focus? There we go. I'm guessing it'll take a couple hours, maybe 2 hours. This is an experiment. Everything's always an experiment, so we'll see. I'm following the instructions for cooking this based on the microwave instructions, which say to cut a slit in the package, I guess for steaming or whatever. So I just made a little like that, and then I'm just going to put the whole box and everything right into the Hot Logic. I'll close it up, but not super tight. Put it in here like that, hopefully. Yep, fits. And zip it up, and then plug it in, and I'll check back in with you when it's ready. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Hello, I'm checking the enchiladas that I put in my Hot Logic as I was driving. Well, I didn't put them in as I was driving, but before I started driving. So it's been about 3 hours, so I'm gonna check. Plus, the whole van smells so good right now. The smell of cooking food just permeates the whole place. Alright, so I put the enchiladas in there, so I'm going to see how they're doing. I really have no idea. I'm hoping they got cooked enough, or heated enough, really, because this is a microwave meal. Alright, so as you can see, everything feels very warm and cooked. Okay, how to open this. Here we are. Just checking to see how everything is cooked. It's all it's definitely not frozen anymore, that's for sure. It's actually hot. I don't know if you can see the steam coming up off of there. See that? Got quite hot in there. So I would say this is a success. This is very exciting. And I'm looking forward to having hot enchiladas. I just pulled over to the side of the road. Parked. I'm gonna eat and then take a break and continue on my way. Simple as that. I hope you're all having a fantastic day, and safe travels to everyone.